Good morning. We are on our way to a waterfall in Slovenia called Virje. Oops, look at this view. Look at this view. Anyways, so we stayed in a hostel last night in a town called Kobarid, and today we have to return the rental car at 3 o'clock. So our last stop is going to be Lake Bled. So on our way there, we're trying to stop and see everything that we can see. And this waterfall is on the way. It's only a 5-minute hike from the starting point. It looks so beautiful. And usually people swim, right?
Yeah.
Usually people swim, but it's 6 in the morning and it's going to be pretty cold. So
it's not even 6 in the morning, it's like 5:30.
It's almost 6, but so I don't know if we're gonna be swimming, but we're here. So we'll keep you updated.
Peace.